I would say good afternoon, or rather good morning, ụtụtụ ọma if this is your morning. I would say ehihie ọma if this is your afternoon, or mgbede ọma if this is your evening, or abalị ọma if this is your night. Wherever you are, take your own greetings from wherever you are in any part of the world. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. This is the time agreed when we are to come together to challenge ourselves to speak Igbo language, learn it, measure our level of progress, and see how much we can understand spoken Igbo. Many of us watch the Igbo lesson videos in YouTube, but we never had the chance to test ourselves, know how much we have progressed. So this live class is meant to challenge you to listen to spoken Igbo and see how much you can comprehend that and possibly translate what has been said when you have shown understanding. So that's what we do in our live class. So wherever you are, from any part of the world, you want to learn Igbo, you want to speak Igbo language, join us here every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. But if you are seeing me now and you can't join, it means you are not yet a member of this channel. So the first thing to do is to join our channel membership. That way you can gain access to join our live class. There are a lot of advantages in being a member of the channel, free live class every Saturday, ebook, free ebook every month. Okay, the ebook comes with a downloadable audio, pictures, and text. So there's no other better way to learn than through the ebooks. So when you join our membership, you will have access to free ebooks, and then all these are for the price of one. If you're in Nigeria, just 2,000 naira per month, you get all these things. The ebook alone worth more than the subscription fee for Nigerian students. But in diaspora, YouTube determines the price. But whatever is the case, you are sure of getting value for your money. So if you are watching a replay of this live class and you want to be part of the live class when it is happening, you need to join our channel membership. Very easy to do. Look at our homepage, see my channel name. Below that, you will see the black round button with inscription join written inside it. Hit that button to join our membership. You'll be taken to an interface through which you will do the needful and join our channel membership. Do that today, and you'll be glad you did. So, ebe ọbụla ị nọ, chọrọ ịsụ Igbo, chọrọ ịmụ ka esi asụ Igbo, ị chọrọ ịmara ka isi gbatarue ebe ị ruru na ọmụmụ asụsụ Igbo gị, ebe a ka anyị na-ezukọ n'ụbọchị Satọde niile n'elekere 2 nke ehihie ịbịa mụọ ka esi asụ asụsụ Igbo. Sheri Mango, nnọọ nwada Soibi, oke, ndewo Soibi. So anyị na-eche ndị ọzọ ka ha bata na class. We're waiting for others to come into the class. I'm here. As soon as we have up to 2 people, the class will begin. Ndewo nwada Soibi. So anyị na-eche ndị ọzọ. We are waiting for others to come in to join us. But before they come in, please confirm, Soibi, that my audio is clear enough. You can see me and you can hear me loud and clear. Please confirm that before others will join and the class will start in full. Can you confirm that now? One other Shoibi, confirm that you can hear me, can see me, you can hear me loud and clear. Okay? Ehihie ọma. Okay. Ahụrụ m gị. Okay. Ị na-anụ olu m? Ị na-ahụ m? Kee maka olu m? Ị na-anụ olu m? Okay. You say you see me. Okay. But it's actually supposed to be I'm seeing you. So it should be anam ahụ gị. That should be the right expression. Okay. Anam ahụ gị. Kee maka olu m? Ị na-anụ olu m? The remaining one part you've not answered. Ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma? Yes, I've asked another question, second part of it. You say you are seeing me. Then the next question is, ị na-anụ olu m? Ị na-anụ olu m? All right. We are good to go. So you are hearing me and you are seeing me. You have confirmed that. If you are in the class, ọ bụrụ na ị nọ n'ime klaasị anyị, biko kelee anyị, kelee ụmụnna, kelee ezinụlọ nke ndị Igbo. Okay, Mazi Clement Emehe. No, ụtụtụ ọma o. It's not ụtụtụ ọma, it is ụtụtụ ọma. Clement, I believe you should have known this by now. You are an old student, so it's not ụtụtụ. Ụtụtụ is many. Okay, ụtụtụ is morning. So by now, I expect you to have known the difference. Mazi Clement. So I don't expect you to make that mistake again at this level. Okay. So like I said, we're already two in the class, so the class is starting. Our time is our time, so we cannot delay further. Others will join us. Today, we're going to look at random words, okay? Random words that we think are unique somehow. Then we'll look at the meaning of those words and use it to make in simple sentence so that we know how to use it. So that is what we are considering from today. Simple word. We're going to take it from alphabet A to Z, those simple words, A to Z, and see their Igbo meaning and how to apply them in a sentence. So let's go. Are we ready? Nkembo, we are beginning right away. Nkembo, we will not wait for anybody. Nkembo, number one. The first word we're looking at, anyhow. Anyhow. Hmm? Anyhow. What is this word called in Igbo language? Anyhow. Anyhow. Yes, somebody should type the name, the same word, interpret it in Igbo language, type in the chat what it means. Anyhow. Okay. Sherry Mango wrote Uzo Obola. All right. Okay. What is the Emehe say, Clement? What is your own position on this? Anyhow. Anyhow. Okay. Ndewo. Okay. Princess is the one Ndewo. The first word we're looking at is anyhow. Today we're beginning a new series, which is random Igbo words. Those words are special or unique words that are not too common. We pick the word, take and then talk about the meaning, and then use it to make a simple sentence. The first word we're looking at today is anyhow. We got two responses. Sherry Mango wrote anyhow is Uzo Obola. And then Clement wrote Ihe Obola. What is the princess saying? Anyhow. 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 What does it mean in Igbo? Yes, Princess, you're waiting for your response on this. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Uzo Obola. Princess is saying the same thing. Uzo Obola. All right, but I disagree with you people. My answer is Etu Obola. Etu Obola. That is my own anyhow. Etu Obola. Okay? Not Uzo Obola. Uzo Obola is anyway. Anywhere or anyway. Okay, that is actually our second word. Okay, anywhere is Uzo Obola. Anyway or anywhere. Anyway is Uzo Obola. Okay, Uzo is way, but anyhow is Etu Obola. Etu Obola is Ichoya. Anyhow you want it. Etu Obola. Okay, I hope I'm clear enough on this. Etu Obola is anyhow. Why Uzo Obola is anyway? Okay, right? We just did that in our latest video. We use Uzo to make those short sentences we normally make. And then we have Uzo Obola is there anyway. Am I clear on this? Now am I clear on this? Let's make a simple sentence with this. Okay. Okay. He did it anyhow. He did it anyhow he liked. He did it anyhow he likes. He did it anyhow he likes. He did it anyhow he wants. Yes, that is the sentence. Can we translate that? He did it anyhow he wants or he likes. Yes, that is the sentence now. Let's go. Break it in Igbo. He did it anyhow he likes. Yes, I'm waiting. Who is breaking it down for us in Igbo? Let's go there. Drop your answer now. He did it anyhow he likes. Yes, 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 yes. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Who is trying that first? He did it anyhow he likes. Who is doing it first for us? Who is shooting first? Yes, let's go. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Kedu onye na-aza? Kedu onye bụ ụzọ aza ya? Who is answering it first? Okay, princess. O mere etu ọbụla na-amasị gị. Remember what I said is, he did it anyhow he likes. He did it anyhow he likes. Okay? Good effort, princess. Good effort. Okay? But there are few things you wrote that suggest that you didn't hear me very well. What I said is, he did it anyhow he likes. Yes, I'm waiting for others to drop their own. Princess has dropped her own. I want more options. Sherry Mango, Mr. Clement, what do you say to this? Okay, Clement is in. O mere ya etu ọbụla ọ na-amasị. Good effort. Yeah, Sherry Mango, where are you? Shoibi. Yes, I like these options. Ngwanu. Ana m eche nwada Shoibi, Sherry Mango. Let's go there. He did it anyhow he likes. Yes, if you don't know, you just put Amaim so we can go on without waiting for you. Yes, I'm waiting for Sherry Mango. Drop your answer or you write Amaim if you don't have idea. Okay? Waiting for you. Sherry Mango, are you there? He did it anyhow he likes. Yes. All right. Sherry Mango has. Okay, it appears you say you don't have idea. Okay, let me go and answer the question. O mere ya etu ọbụla anyhow dị ya mma he likes. Dị ya mma. Okay, there are two ways to say this. O mere ya etu ọbụla dị ya mma. Sorry, my D should have DI, but my I with dot under is not coming up here. So that my D is not D, is DI. Another option is O mere ya etu ọbụla ọ chọrọ. Okay, that is another way of writing the same thing. O mere ya etu ọbụla ọ chọrọ. He did it anyhow he wants. Okay, anyhow. The first one is saying anyhow he likes. Etu ọbụla dị ya mma. The second one is saying etu ọbụla ọ chọrọ. Anyhow he wants. Okay, so that is different between the two. The first one is anyhow he likes. Second one is anyhow he wants. Choro. Okay, I believe that is clear enough. Then those of you that wrote uzobola, let's use uzobola now to make a sentence. Okay. Okay. We will take any way. We will take any way. We will take any way. Let's go. We will take any way. Let's go. Or we will go by any way. We will go by any way. I think that will be clearer. We will go by any way. Yes. Let's go. Will we go by any way or through any way? Ngwanu. Let's go there. Who is writing first? Princess supplied. Okay. Sherry Mango is shooting first now. Okay. Sherry Mango has come in. Yes. Princess, Clement, where are you? Let's go. Will we go by any way? Or will we go or will take any way? Yes, let's go. Yes, so waiting for you. Got one answer from Sherry Mango. Let others shoot their answers. Princess is in. Anyị ga-aga ụzọ ọbụla. Okay. Clement is in. Anyị ga-aga n'etiti ụzọ ọbụla. All of you tried. Okay, let me see who is closest. Sherry Mango. Anyị ga-aga isi ụzọ ọbụla. Okay. Now, Princess wrote, Anyị ga-aga ụzọ ọbụla. Okay. Okay. Clement wrote, Anyị ga-aga na etiti ụzọ ọbụla. Na etiti ụzọ ọbụla. All of you tried. Almost all of you got it, but not very perfect. So let me take the first one. Sherry Mango, Anyị ga-aga isi ụzọ ọbụla. The way it should be written is this. Anyị ga-esi. But that is what she wanted to write. Anyị ga-esi ụzọ ọbụla. Ụzọ ọbụla. Ga. This is what Sherry Mango want to write. Anyị ga-esi ụzọ ọbụla ga. We'll go by any way. Princess wrote, Anyị ga-aga ụzọ ọbụla. That is also correct, but a little correction. Anyị ga-aga. We only add n'ụzọ ọbụla. Because I say by. That's why the N has to be there. Or through, okay, through anyway. N'ụzọ ọbụla. Okay, this is for princesses. Then anyị ga-aga n'ụzọ ọbụla. So it's not just ụzọ ọbụla, n'ụzọ ọbụla, by or through or by any way. Then Clement, anyị ga-aga n'etiti ụzọ ọbụla. You said we'll go by the middle of any way. I leave it for you that way. We will go by the middle, that is etiti, anyway. Titi ụzọ ọbụla. We'll go by the middle of any way or any road. That is what Clement wrote, and I interpreted it directly for him. All right, let's go to the next word. The next word is born. Born. Okay. Born. Okay. Let me add fire to it so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, this is born fire. What do we say? How do we translate this to Igbo? Born as in burning by fire. How do we say it in Igbo? What do we say? What is born as we burn something with fire? Oko is just fire, but what is born in Igbo? It's always coming in a phrasal word, okay, in a phrasal tense or verb. So it doesn't stand as oko. Oko is just fire, but it's born by fire. Okay, that is talking to Sherry Mango now. So what is Princess saying? What is Clement saying? Born, as in born with fire. What is it in Igbo? Yes. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Waiting for you. Yes, Clement, Princess. Okay. Princess Ruth Morocco. Okay. Remember, I said burning by fire. Okay. That's what I wrote. Okay. Okay. Morocco. All right. Let me hear what Clement is saying about this. What is Clement saying? Princess, your Oko should have dot under the O and U. Or you don't have access to the Igbo keyboard. Because I saw that up there, your Uzo too doesn't have dot under the U and O, and your Obola too doesn't have dot under them. It appears you don't have the Igbo keyboard. Yes, Clement, I'm waiting for you. What do you say? Clement, what is born by fire? Yes, Mr. Clement, what do you say? If you don't know, say Amaim, Amaim. Then we know you are not coming with any answer. We go ahead and supply the answer. Born, I mean here, is in form of verb. Okay. Okay, my message are not going through. Why now? The one you type now has come to us. What is holding the other ones? We have been seeing your message now. You wrote Aingagan Etiti Uzobola in the previous session. So we are seeing your message. And we have seen what you are writing now. Okay. Okay. So the time you used to write this, your explanation is what we needed to use. Okay, Princess has amended. Bo Oko still. Boro Oko. Then this one is Bo Oko. Okay. Okay, let me supply the answer since Clement is not coming. To burn by fire is re Oko is actually a verb. It's actually a verb. I don't know. Okay. Say it doesn't know. That's all right. Re Oko is born by fire. Re Oko. Fire is Oko. Re is that burn, act of burning. Okay. Then Mo Oko, that Princess wrote, is heat. Ikpo Oko is to heat up. You know, something is hot. You know, Boro Oko is hot. Okay, Bo Oko is make hot. Okay, that is Bo Oko. It's different from Re, it's different from burn. The other one is heat. Okay, heat is Omoko. So heat on is as a noun is Opomoko. Opomoko, that is heat on its own as a noun, but Pooko is the verb form of it. You know, heat, make hot. Okay, that is it. But born is Re Oko. Re Oko. All right, let's make a short sentence with this. Princess, do you get what I'm explaining here? Please confirm you are with me. And then Sherry Mango too, Oko is not the word, it's Re Oko. Yeah. Sherry Mango, are you okay with that? Is that clear? Oko alone is not the answer. It's Re Oko, born by fire. Okay, that's good. So let's make a sentence now. Born the grass. Born the grass. Born the grass. Oh yeah, give me that in Igbo. Born the grass. Born the grass. Of course, the grass or weed, whatever you call it, burn it. Burn the grass or weed. Yes, let's go. Re osisi oku. That's cherry mango. Let me wait for others. Burn the grass. Burn the grass. Let's go. Got an answer from Sherry Mango. What are the rest saying? Burn the grass. Let's go. Princess, Clement, ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Burn the grass. Mr. Clement, I hope you got the last answer. Your explanations that follow. Burn the grass. Let's go. Princess, Clement, where are you? Where is Nnake? Has not come to class today. And some other regulars, where are they? One of you took permission. Okay. Princess is in. Princess is in. Burn the grass. Clement is in. Re oku ahihia. Re oku ahihia. Okay. You guys try, but your order is not okay. Is re. Please remember that my eyes, yes, you have dot under them. So please, this is the word, the sentence. Re ahihia hoku. Re ahihia, the grass, ahihia. So we don't put oko before ahihia. We don't say re oko ahihia. No. Re ahihia, what you are burning is the grass, and they are burning it with fire. Re ahihia oko. Okay? Okay? Some will say ba oko. There's another way of saying the same thing. Ba ahihia oko. Please, my eye should have dot under them, but my computer is not giving me that now. Ba ahihia oko. Some will prefer to say ba oko as opposed to re oko. They literally mean the same thing. So if you hear ba oko and you hear re oko, please know that they are the same. But the most correct word is re ahihia oko. Burn the grasses or the grass. Is this okay? You don't say re oko ahihia. No, it's re ahihia oko. Is that clear? Please confirm if you are with me. Confirm if you are with me before we go to the next word. All right. Clement is with me. Princess, are you there? Sherry Mango, are you with me? And your saga, are we going together? All right. So the next word is concerning. 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 Right. Very clear. Very well. Concerning. 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 That is the word. Concerning. Okay. Sherry Mango is in. What is the rest people saying? Yes, let's go. Gịnị bụ concerning n'asụsụ Igbo? Ana m eche unu. Sherry Mango is a sharp shooter today. She's shooting very fast. Okay, I love the options. Love it. Keep it flowing. Clement, where are you? I love the options. Yeah. Clement, where are you? I love the options. I love the options. All right. I love the options. Okay, you don't know. All right. Huh. I bet I must confess that the two answers are correct. Is either Banyere or Basara. Both of them are correct. They are used interchangeably. Some people will use Basara, some will use Banyere, but they actually mean the same thing. So both Cherry Mango and Princess, they are all correct. Is either Banyere or Basara. Okay. And now let's have our sentence now. Clement, are you with us? The answers are correct. Banyere or Basara, both are correct. Which is more common? Is one specific to a dialect? Not really. Okay. I would say Banyere is more okay, is more central than Basara. Banyere. Banyere is more central than Basara. Okay. Okay, but both are acceptable. But Banyere could be more popular than Basara. So let's go ahead and make a sentence with this. The sentence is this. Let's go. Okay. They are talking concerning the matter. Okay. When I type a mime, it doesn't go through for some reason. That's why I retyped it in English. Oh, I don't know why. Okay. Okay. Now let me take my sentence again. Okay. We are. Am I changing sentence now? They are talking concerning the matter. They are talking concerning the matter. They are talking concerning the matter. Cherry Mango is in already. They are talking concerning the matter. Cherry Mango is in. Yes. What is other people saying? They are talking concerning the matter. They are not Igbo. They are talking concerning the matter. Mhm. If you are watching a replay of this, you can do your own writing in the comment section below. Just type your own sentence along with the teaching. If you want to watch a replay, you swipe your comment box to the left, and then you will see a display of the replay of these live chats. Right? Princess is in. Okay, they are talking concerning the matter, the matter, the matter. Yes, Clement, what are you saying about this? I have Sherry Mango in. I have Princess in. What about Clement? They are talking concerning the matter. Yes, Clement. Okay. Okay. Now, Sherry Mango began well, but didn't end well. Same with Princess. You started well, but you didn't end it well. Ha na-ekwu. Let's use banyere. Okay. Banyere okwu. You all got that right. Banyere okwu. You got that right. Banyere okwu. You got that right. But the end is not okay. Ha na-ekwu banyere okwu ahụ. The matter. The matter is okwu ahụ. The matter or that matter is okwu ahụ. So Sherry Mango wrote, ha na-ekwu banyere okwu. It's not just okwu, the matter, okwu ahụ. The matter is already known. Princess wrote, a na-ekwu banyere okwu a. No, okwu a is this matter. I said the matter, not this matter. So Princess wrote this matter, okwu a. But I said okwu ahụ, the matter. I hope that is clear enough. I hope that is clear. Please confirm if you are correct, if you are true with me, if you agree with me. If you agree with me, let me know that you are with me. Say, yeah, Sherry Mango, thank you for agreeing with me. What about Princess and Clement? Okay. Yes. The next word is during. During. Okay, thank you. Okay. The next word is during. I hope I'm pronouncing it well anyway. Okay, but this is what I mean. Is it during or during? During. I don't know. Just get what I mean. I'm not an Englishman. Okay. Sherry Mango is a sharpshooter today. She's in already. Okay, let me hear what other people are saying. Let's get their own responses. During, during. Okay. Mbe. All of you are writing Mbe. What did Clement say? Yes. What is Clement saying? I got Sherry Mango, I got Princess, Nambe. And then finally, Clement is the winner. It's not Mbe, but Nambe. Clement is the winner this time around. But you don't write na completely. You put it as apostrophe. So Nambe. Clement, you are the winner here. It's not just Mbe. Mbe is time or oge. Okay, Princess wrote it correctly. I'm sorry. Princess wrote it. She corrected herself. Oh, yeah. She wrote na, noge. So it's either nambe or noge. So, Princess, you are the one that got it first. Sorry about that. You wrote noge. Okay, it's either nambe or noge. But it is not just write oge or mbe singly like that. No. If you just write mbe or oge, that you are talking about time, when. But if it is during, it is nambe or noge. I hope I'm clear enough here. I hope I'm clear enough. What is more common? Okay, what is more common? Okay, is nambe. If you, what I will use anytime for this is nambe. Okay, it's nambe because oge is more to time, but mbe is more talking about the period. And then during is referring to the period of time, not just a specific time. It's talking about the period. So mbe is the most appropriate. Hope I'm clear about that. Okay. Okay. Right. Now let's have our sentence now. Let's have our sentence. Okay. I was not born during the war. I was not born during the war. Hmm. It's a big task, but I hope you can break it down. I was not born during the war. Let's go. Break it in Igbo. Okay, let's break it down in Igbo. Let me write the English sentence. I was not born during the war. Oh, I wrote way instead of war. Sorry about that. That's a typo. Forgive me. It's a typo. Baramu. So I wanted to write. I remove it. I gotta remove it. Yeah, because it gave a different meaning. I was not born during the war. Not way. I was not born during the war. All right, let's go. Shoot your answer. Okay. Princess is in. Sherry Mango is in. Okay. Okay. What is Clement saying about this? I was not born during the war. What is Clement saying about this? I was not born. They've not, my mommy have not born me during the war. Except only Clement will be born during the war among us here. All of us are, we are not born during this Nigerian civil war. That happened between 1967 to 1970. I think only Clement is born by that time. Mụ Loim n'oge n'agha. Okay. Okay. Let me see who got so closer. Princess wrote, Anam amoi na mgbe agha. Not close at all. Sherimago wrote, Obim amurum. I can't get it at all. Where you got Obim, I don't know. Then Clemens said, Amoim. I don't know what you put at the beginning, at the middle. Is it Lu? I don't know why it is there. Amoloim. It shouldn't be that. That's not correct. But you're almost close to what I'm saying. Amoim no genaya. Okay. If not that you put na again, you would have been almost there. So it's amoim. My eyes should have dot under, please. My computer is not giving me that. Amoim na mgbe agha. Na mgbe agha. Of course, you can say amuim n'oge agha, like I said earlier. That is accepted also. Amuim n'oge agha. So amuim na mgbe agha, amuim n'oge agha. So I was not born is simply amuim. Okay, not Clement was written amuloim. No, there's no L there. It's amuim. Okay, anam amui na mgbe agha. No, princess. Obi m amụrụ m na mgbe ọgụ ahụ. Not really. Yeah, the only thing I can take from Sherry Mango's statement is where she wrote ọgụ. Ọgụ. Okay, is actually ọgụ can also mean fight or war. Someone can say oge ọgụ. Oge ọgụ. But ọgụ is more of a fight than a war. Ogu can be a fight between two persons, so that is fight. But when it comes to war, it's aya, okay? But ogu is fight. I hope I'm clear. Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango, are you with me? Okay. I believe everybody is clear with what I said. You agree with me, everybody? Let's go to the next word. If you agree with me, say I or A, whichever one. The A have it. So, kaigani. The next one is determine. Determine. Yeah. Determine. Resolve. Okay. Just like resolve. Okay. Determine. To do something. Okay. Or resolve to do something. Okay. Yes. What does that mean? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'olu Igbo? Determine or resolve. Okay, Clement say eme ihe. Okay. I wait for others. Do you agree with Clement or you have a different opinion? Determine. What do you say, princess? What do you say, Sherry Mango? Determine. Determine. Let's go there. Ka anyị gaa ebe ahụ. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Shoot, 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 shoot. Now. Call. That is what Sherry Mango say. Okay, I wait for princess. Who will bail the cat? I'm not yet convinced with your answers. Who will bail the cat? Determine. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? Gịnị ka a na-akpọ determine n'asụsụ Igbo? What is determine called in Igbo language? If you are seeing our live class and you want to join our live class, the first thing to do is to join our channel membership. Just click on the join button beside or below my channel name. black join button, and then you'll be directed to the page for joining our channel membership. That way, you will gain access to our live class. Otherwise, you may not be able to join. All right, you are his princess. Ngwanu, olee ebe ị nọ? Princess Adaeze. Gịnị bụ determine? Okay, ana m eche princess o. Determine, resolve, determine to do something. I answered. Where is your answer, princess? Since I wrote determine, I never see your answer. I saw Clement. I saw Sherry Mango. Did anybody help me see princess answer? It's missing in action. Maybe it's lost in transit. Can you replay? Can you send it back? Everybody say Mba. They've not seen your answer. Please, it's lost in transit. Resend it. Resend your answer, princess. The family members say Mba. They didn't see your answer. I sent it again. What is going on here? What is swallowing your answer, my dear? That is unfair. Princess, change the phrase a little. Oh, they say you should change the phrase. Is that the formula now? What is the problem? Can you see it? Not at all. Okay. Cho. Okay, we can see cho now, princess. We can see CHO, cho. Okay. Those are your answer, right? Okay, but that is not correct. All your answers are wrong. Yeah. Do you wrote ta or what? Is it TA? Okay. I don't know what you mean by TA. Did you write chota? Or is it part of the first word, chota? If is that the case, still not correct. The answer is pebie. Pebie is determine. Pebie. Pebie is determine. Okay. Pebie, that is determine. Can you see that now? Is that clear by everybody? Can you see my answer? Did you see my reply? Pebie. Yeah, princess, did you see my reply? The meaning of determine. I've not gotten your response. I've got Sherry Mango's response. I've got Clement's response. I'm waiting for princess. Do you see my answer? Okay, that's fine. Let's go. Now, the sentence. Please determine to go there. Please determine to go there. Please determine to go there. That is the sentence. Let's go. Translate it to Igbo. Let's go there. Ngwa, who is shooting first? Okay, princess is in now. Wow, princess is shooting first this time around. She has overtaken Sherry Mango to shoot first. Well, obviously, it must be network that is delaying princess' response because I know she has gone far a little bit. She should be getting this. Right. I got princess response. Where is Sherry Mango? Where is Clement, Emehe? Who else is in the class? If you are in the class, drop your greetings so that we can welcome you to the Igbo family. Biko ebie iga ebe. That is what Clement wrote. Sherry Mango, where are you? Kede ebe ino? Nwada Sherry Mango. Nwada Shoibi. Lee ebe ino. Ngwa, nye anyị azịza gị. Please give us your answer. Okay, Sherry Mango is here. Biko kpebie ịga ebe ahụ. Wow. This lady no agree at all. The answer for Princess, biko kpebie ịga ebe ahụ. Excellent. Correct. Then, Clement, biko kpebie ịga ebe, but he didn't complete ebe. Ebe ahụ. Go there is ebe ahụ, not ebe. So, Clement, you gave us incomplete sentence. Sherry Mango got it right too. Biko kpebie ịga ebe ahụ. Excellent. So, Princess got it first, followed by Sherry Mango. Excellent performance. I love that. Let's go on. Next word is eventually. 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 Okay. Is it double L or one L? I don't even know. Me and this English, yeah. Eventually. I don't know whether I got the spelling right or wrong. If I'm wrong, please correct me. I'm Igbo teacher, not English teacher. So if you know I'm correct in my spelling, that's fine. Give me a thumbs up. If I'm wrong, correct me. Give me the Igbo translation. Eventually. Wow. I'm right. Sabi English also. All right. Princess has given us her answer. Yes, who else is supplying answer? I got answer from Princess. Who else is dropping answer? We're talking about eventually. Okay, Sherry Mango has given her own version. Yes, where is Clement? Okay, Clement say I'm mine. All right. These two ladies are pulling weight today, actually. So eventually could be a mechazia. We add a little thing to what Princess wrote, but it's also correct. A mechazia, okay, that is eventually. But it could also be nikbazu. Of course, nikbazu is always at last, at the end, okay? Nikbeazu. Nikbeazu is more of at last, okay? At the end. That is more of nikbazu. It's used more for that, nikbazu, because nikbazu is the last. Okay, but it's also used for eventually. Some people also use it for eventually, nikbazu. But a mechazia is more accurate. A mechazia, okay, afterwards, after everything was done. A mechazia, okay. But if you stop at a mecha, okay, a mecha is more of afterward, okay, afterward, a mecha. But a mechazia is eventually, after all said and done, a mechazia. So, Princess, good effort. Good effort. Okay. I hope are we together in my explanation? Do you get what I'm saying? Are you with me? Please say A if you are with me. Let the A have it. If you are with me, type your A. If you got what I said, you agree with me. Good. All right, Princess, are you with me? Clement, are you there with me? Very well. Remaining Clement. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Okay, let's go. The sentence now. We did it eventually. We did it eventually. Or let me start with eventually. Eventually, we did it. Eventually, we did it. Okay. Eventually, let me use let me use another sentence because I don't want this sentence to clash. Eventually, they left. Eventually, they left. Okay. Okay. Whichever one you are picking, eventually we did it. It's okay. That's fine. Eventually, we did it. We can stick to that. Let's go with that. Eventually, we did it. Since Sherry Mango has already replied that, eventually, we did it. I said we did it. We did it. Why are you changing what you wrote before? Eventually, we did it. Okay, Sherry Mango is in. And then Princess is in. I'm waiting for Clement. As we round up, please, if you've enjoyed today's class, you know you've learned something today, please hit the like button. That below my video or above it, I don't know where it is in your own. And then give me the thumbs up in the chat here. Show your teacher some love if you know you have learned something from today's lesson, which I am sure you did. Okay, let's look at your answers. Emechazia ha ani emereya. Princess, emechazia ani emereya. Emechazia ani emereya. Which one is correct? Let's look at them one one. Emechazia ani. Okay, my eye, ani should have dot under the eye. Ani me ya. Anyway, in the English version, the did is in a past tense, but in the Igbo sentence, the may did doesn't look like a past tense, but it is actually a past tense, but it doesn't look that in writing. Emechazia ani meya. We didn't write ani mereya. We use ani meya. We eventually did it, but it's not in the past tense here. Okay. Uh, but if you use the past tense, that will not be wrong. Emechazia, but in practical writing, this is where it is written. Emechazia ani mereya. Okay, if you write emechazia ani mereya, it doesn't in spoken Igbo, it doesn't go that way. Emechazia ani meya is more acceptable. That is a more accurate way of writing it. Even though in English it's past tense, we did it. But in Igbo, this is the form it takes. Emechazia ani meya. Eventually, we did it. It's not. It doesn't look like past tense in the Igbo version, but that is where it is written. Emechazia ani meya. Eventually, we did it. All right. This is nice today. I believe this series will teach us a lot of things. And if you think you have learned from today's lesson quite a number of things, can you drop your, emoji, your thumbs up emoji, drop your chat, appreciate your teacher if you think you have learned one or two things from today's lesson. It's nice being with you today. Those of you that came quite on time, we appreciate. Sherry Mango, you are right on time before Clement joined. Princess, it's nice being with you today. I do hope we will practice all we've learned and try to use them to sharpen our skills, put them to practice, talk to somebody around us, What you don't use, you're going to lose them. So whatever you learn each day, try to use it. Speak to somebody with it. Practice it. That is the way to internalize it. Otherwise, you forget. Right. Thank you, Sherry Mango, for your emoji. Some of us have not hit the like button. Some have not even sent me any emoji. All right. But all the same, love you all, guys. Love you all. Appreciate you for your support, as always. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. We will see next week. Clement, thank you, Dalo. Princess says, I never see your greeting, or you didn't learn anything today. If you have not hit the like button on the YouTube channel, do that now. Hit the like button. Thank you for doing that. Ka emesịa, anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Okay.